In the course, it is mentioned that when we take responsibility, we become powerful. But in bureaucracy, sometimes it is easier to avoid that responsibility as everyone wants to take advantage of you. And it loads you with more work. Please guide, Gurudev.
Yeah. If you are skillful, if you work well, of course you are given more job, right? But I tell you, it is for your satisfaction. The more you work, the more you put your 100%, you find a greater strength within yourself. Try this and see. You find yourself so strong and happy. So, the law of nature is that you take more responsibility, you will definitely become powerful.